You guys, what's up? Satoshi and Tom Beshirti, so 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first week is called Summer, and it's a package that includes more than 70 mods for iOS. This week is called Reach Options, and it's a tweak to add options to the reachability. This week is called Picture Module. Decorate your control center with images, videos, and widgets. This is called My Bar, Home Bar Customization. To customize many aspects of your home bar, including the color, height, and much more, read below for the features options. You have colors, borders, glows, shapes, sizes, animations, and settings. This is called Last Look, and get a last look at your phone when you lock it. This is called Can You Like Not, and stop going to pin entry screen on resprains. It's just plain annoying. This does not bypass unlocking. That would be a scary risk. Rather, just stops the passcode screen is always being shown upon respringing. This is called Curation, and basically this week you can enable rotation over all the applications, lock screen and home screen on system wide, and also manage more rotation features. Next tweak is called TSS Saver 2, and it's the one tool to save blobs using tsssaver.1conan.com. So TSS Saver, but entirely rewritten in Objective-C to support more features. To install and leave the rest. This tool automatically saves SHSH blobs to the website. Next is called Fast LPM. Toggle low power mode by tapping the battery icon. This is called Music HS Widget, which is music home screen widget. It's also a home screen widgets extension for the music. This is called Explosive Icons. Made for iOS 13. And make icons explode when they're deleted. Plenty of options for customization included in preferences. You can see when you delete it, it explodes. This is called BT Manager Plus, and take control of your Bluetooth devices. So it brings powerful management features to your Bluetooth devices. So if you need any Bluetooth device, display a confirm alert when switching to the audio route to a specific device. Configure the default device and priority list for each application, and more coming soon. Next tweak is called Tweets Manager, and basically what this tweak does, I believe you can disable, it's kind of like Choicey and DLIB Manager. Basically, scroll down, you disable tweets from app or hide jailbreak. So basically, you can disable your tweets from interacting with your apps. Next tweak is called Photo Manager, and basically with this tweak, is your camera roll a mess? Do you hate using the Photos app? Take back control of your photos with Photo Manager. So these features right here. This is called Photo Manager iOS 12 and 13. Basically, you can choose to move or copy photos out of the camera roll into albums. Protect albums with Face ID, Touch ID, or password activated by long press or an edit menu. Hide protected albums from other apps. Save photos directly to an album from the camera. Hide individual albums. Customize the tab bar. This is called Linux version 1.8. A few new features and many bug fixes. This week is ultimate device customization. So for iOS 13, you get these features right here. This week's a theme called Neon Line or Neon Line Status Bar or Neon Line space S Bar. So basically version 1.0.3. It's and status bar for your iOS device. Unique design, elegant, beautiful. And last week's called Latus and Limitless Keyboard Customization. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.